Hi card makers, Trisha Morris here at Club Scrap with a collection we're calling Harbor Town. This is a very fun card kit. It makes a dozen beautiful cards, and the foundation of every collection that we make here is our paper. So we have two really fun prints for you that feature some neat houses and lighthouses, seagulls with a lot of beautiful colors. And along with that, you'll find 10 additional sheets of paper in this gorgeous deep blue. We've got a green, a nice sunny yellow, a white, and red. And all of these are 80-pound cover weight, so it's a nice heavier cardstock. We also include two 12 by 12 sheets of printed cut-aparts. Now these contain all of the sentiments required for both the outside and inside of your greeting cards. No stamping is required, but I will mention that these papers include a plain blank side in case you would like to stamp your own sentiments. Our kits include ribbon that coordinate with the collection, and this month we have this beautiful red cotton, 2 yards of a yellow satin, and a yard of dark blue taffeta. Other goodies in the collection include 4 of these nautical craft banner tags, a nice size package of these cute little water droplets, and a 4-pack of mini white envelopes. Plus, you'll want to mail your cards, so we've thought of that too, 4 each of 3 different envelope sizes. Now, before I show you the completed cards this makes, I want to show you where all of this got started. So I started with my sketchbook, I envision the cards we'll make, and then I plan every cut required to make a set of those 12 cards most efficiently. Those sketches turn into this lovely document that guides the way through trimming and assembling your 12 cards, and I have a full video workshop to help you do that with me as well. Our first set of 4 cards is really clever. It's a gate-folded card, but it has this really cool slider that comes off. There's a sentiment on the front and the back. This one says, "The sun is up, the sky is blue, it's beautiful and so are you," and on the back it says, "Thinking of you, my friend." So we'll be making this really clever butterfly hinge that slides on and off the gate-folded card. You'll make 2 cards with this sentiment, and then 2 more cards with "Row, row, row your boat" on the outside, and you can guess what's on the inside. The next set of 4 cards goes together very easily. We'll make a handmade tag that fits into that white envelope, and we have a sentiment on the outside and inside as well. Our last set of 4 cards is this 3.5 by 8.5 slimline card. It's got some nice nested panels. You can see those water droplets and those craft tags at work. A membership isn't necessary to purchase a kit, but members always save. I look forward to seeing you in this Harbor Town Card Kit Workshop. Come and join me.